Good morning. It's been a couple of weeks since I've had a bit of a fish. I've been overseas on a bit of a holiday. So I've headed back down to the Logan River. While I was away, there's been a bit of rain about, so I've just put some crab pots in again. I'm just going to go up there, the old gazebo, have a bit of a fish for whatever it's about, hopefully pick up some flathead again. Not too sure what all this rain it will have done to where I'm fishing, but anyway, we'll soon find out. Anyway, wish me luck. I've fished for about an hour and I've just come down to Mark's Rock just to see if I can't pick up a few bream. I'm fishing with bread, so hopefully I'll just pick up a few of these. A little bit of rain coming through, so if I get another 3 or 4 of these I might head off. That's a better quality one. It's 31 centimeters. Just a little one, just 26 centimeters. Bream. It's a little 30 centimeters. Oh, double hooker. Yeah. Only 26 centimetres. Actually, hopefully on the video you can see, actually I had a double hook up then. So I'm fishing with Brett. When I fish with Brett, I've actually got the 3 hooks, like so. So I actually had a double hook up where I just lost one at the end. Hopefully I should see that on video. Okay, I'm going to call that a day. Came down here to get some flathead. Ended up with 5 bream. But I'll put it down to the lot of fresh water about. Anyway, hopefully I'll pick up a bunk crab and it'll make it an okay day. Let's see what happens there. See how I go. See if I can get a crab. Well, there you go, another day fishing down the Logan River. Ended up with just 5 bream and mud crab, so I think that's an okay day. Anyway, until next time.